Hello and welcome to this very special video. We seriously made it and this little channel hit finally 1000 subscribers. I want to thank you all for supporting this channel and my journey in becoming a better scale model builder. Without you, I probably wouldn't be so motivated to create more scale model videos, so again a big thank you to all of you. I hope we can continue this great journey with many more builds to come. As promised, I will give away an awesome model kit my channel hits 1000 subscribers to one lucky winner who commented under one of the previous giveaway videos. So without further ado, let's start the drawing. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. The process will be like last time. I cut all your usernames into groups of 3 persons and will draw one of them. Then I'm going to cut the 3 usernames and will draw the lucky winner. I added chapters to the video, so you can skip to the end result if you can't wait. Anyway, you should see your username here if you commented under one of the few giveaway videos and didn't win a kit yet. If I forget you, I'm really sorry about that. But I double-checked everything and I hope everybody is on the list. And here is the winner, Carmen not in San Diego. Congratulations! You won the M47 patent kit from Tamiya or the Su-35 from Great Wall Hobby, the choice is yours. I put a comment under your original giveaway entry, so we can exchange address information and I finally will figure out why you're not in San Diego. If you don't answer in the next 72 hours I'm going to give away one of the kits to the person which was drawn next. To all who didn't win today, I hope you've more luck next time and I hope to see you soon on my channel. Thanks for watching and until next time.